Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for capturing memories, and that is, it's a nice little handheld camcorder. This is great whether you're using this as an adult or you're wanting to teach kids how to take great quality videos and photos. This was sent over by a company called Camworld, and it is the AC25 model. Obviously, you're going to get instructions here that tells you all about it. We're covering a lot of the features right here in the video. Now, it does come with a battery to charge this thing up. It is a 1000 mAh battery. It's got a pretty decent battery life. Now, depending on what you are utilizing, if you got the flash on and all that kind of stuff, it's going to change around the battery usage. You're going to get almost a full day out of usage out of it as far as spot using. If you're recording non-stop, then maybe not the full day. But you're going to get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable to power up the battery itself. You can utilize that by just plugging this into the camera. But here it is, it's nice and compact. So first off, you got a nice little adjustable strap here, makes it super easy to hold and stabilize. Right here on the top, you're gonna have the zoom in and out button. So it's very, very intuitive as far as zooming in and out. And then you're gonna have a quick access record button there also on the top. You're also gonna have a quick access record button here on the side. Now you will notice in the front part, you do have a cold shoe mount. So if you do need to mount anything else external, like another light, fill light or something like that, they do give you that opportunity. But like I said, here at the front of the lens, you do also have an LED light right there at the front, a very bright, really bright LED light there. And then the actual lens itself, it is an f2.2, basically f-stop, and then this is a 3.65 millimeter kind of lens. This thing can record up to 1080p, and then it can also take photos up to 48 megapixels as far as the image quality. There is a SD card that you can utilize in this thing, which is up to 32 gigabytes, which means you're gonna have plenty of storage for capturing those photos and those video. If you are recording and you wish to capture a photo, you can do that while it'll kind of pause and go ahead and capture that photo for you. Now, as far as that digital or that zoom, it's gonna go up to an 18 times digital zoom. So you're gonna notice it's going to go up to a certain point, and then it's going to kind of stop, and then you're going to press it again, and then it's going to, that's basically into that times 18 as far as the digital aspect of it. And then it has all the features that you would expect. So on the back side here, this is where you're going to see the little USB-C plug, and then you can hook this up to an external mic if you so wish to do that. It's not really a feature I utilize. On the bottom, you do have the standard little kind of screw mount for a tripod if you wish to do that. And then you have your door here. This is where you're going to hide the little battery that you can remove and swap out if you wish. Then you do have a foldable screen. Nice size screen. Very, very bright. Very easy to see, especially during the daylight, which is also a very important thing. And it does rotate 270 degrees. So you can rotate it to where you're looking at yourself, or if you're wanting to show somebody else, you can do that as well. Rotate it to them. So you get full rotation as far as utilizing it. And then obviously it can rotate down and up. The screen itself is about 3 inches in diagonal as far as the sizes. Now this does have a ton of features built into it. If you're utilizing this in like a selfie mode, it does have a 2-second, 5-second, or 10-second timer. You can play, it has many custom filters in here. I don't really utilize the filters. I prefer to do that post-processing, but it does include that in here. You can adjust the exposure. You can adjust the ISO if you wish. It also has the anti-shake ability in there. It has a smile capture, so that way it's capturing photos when you're smiling, which is another nice thing. The face detection, all that kind of stuff that you would expect to see now in a decent camera out there. And then it's very, very compact in size-wise. So to give you an idea of the size here, it's about 4 3/4 inches in length. It's about 2.5 inches in width and about 2 1/4 inches in height. But like I said, it's a nice little itty bitty camcorder here. If you're in the market and you're looking for a great camcorder, this one's worth checking out. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.